Hey guys, welcome to the next video of this tutorial. So this tutorial is about OpenStreetMap. So generally OpenStreetMap is nothing but the road networks of the entire world. So this OpenStreetMap which is an organization which provides us the road network of the entire world. So you can access the road network of any places in the world. So here I will be showing you how to install that how to download the road network of OpenStreetMap using a module named OSMnx. So let me show you how to install that OSMnx. So since we will be using the Anaconda software, we have to install uh, this module using the Anaconda prompt. So just like the command prompt, Anaconda prompt is another place where we can install the modules. So instead of pip, we will be using a statement called conda install the package name, which is OSMnx. So this will be our package. So let's run this. Basically I have already installed that in my page. So in my system. So it will just take this. So let's close this. I have already installed that. There is no use in this. So let me go to this. Oh my god. Okay. So let's begin this freshly. So I have already installed that. So let's import the package. Import OSMnx. So this OSMnx is our package and which has the ability to download or extract the data from the online OpenStreetMaps. So let's make a short name as OX. So the first step will be we have to declare the name, or we have to declare the place of the road we need. So here I'm going to download the road networks for Chennai. So let me declare a variable road is equal to ox dot graph from place. So here graph generally means map. So here we have to give the keyword of which place we are going to use. We will be needing. So I need the road network of Chennai, India. So this is the keyword which is a standard keyword. Chennai of India country. Chennai is the district and India is the. We also need to give the network type. Network type, which is drive. So drive is generally the major roads that we generally use. So our default it will take all private. So here I'm just giving the drive routes. So next what we have to do is we have to project the data we got. So let me save that projected data in another variable called projected road. So for that we are going to use a function called project graph. Project graph. So we have to mention which data we have to project, which is the row data. So finally now we have got the row data and we have projected it. Now the final step is to save the data. So which is OSM dot save graph shapefile. So save graph shapefile, which this will enable, or this will help us to save the data or the road network in shapefile format. So first I'm going to give which variable I have stored my data. So this is the variable. So next I have to give the file path. So file path will be, I have already created some place for that. So let's paste it here. As I said before, we have to add an R in front of our normal directory root, and I also want to create a new folder Chennai and save the data inside it. So now what will happen? This projected road network of Chennai will get saved in this file path. So let's run this. So let me run. Let's see if any error comes. So simultaneously we will open this arc map so I can show you the downloader network. So this will take some time before getting saved. We can also see the changes which is going to happen here as the program runs. A folder will be created here. Okay, let's open this and let's see. You can see here it has been created. Now let's visualize this in our arc map, which I have already opened. So this is the arc map. If you haven't used or know about this ArcGIS or arc map, we will be using this most. So this is a proprietary software for GIS. So let me open. Okay, let's go to the catalog. I think it should be in there. Yeah, third eye. So I would prefer you to install this ArcGIS and QGIS, which will be using the most in the upcoming videos. So now let me open this here. So now as it opens, you can visualize the road network of the entire Chennai city. So through this method, we can possibly download all the road network of any state or any district or any particular locality. So I'll just try to add a base map so that you can visualize properly. So base map is nothing but the earth imagery. In case you don't have ArcGIS, there are a lot of videos available on the YouTube for downloading ArcGIS or installing the QGIS. You can refer those. So this is going to take some time. So let's close this one. So this will be our program. So you can just see it's just a 4 simple lines. So actually it should be 3 simple lines, and we have the road network of any place in the world. So this is what Python does for you. So it just makes your work simple. So you can use this code for your project or any of your this related works. So okay, let's add this and wait until it loads. You can see the major roads here. You can also change the color symbology. You can also label them. You can also create a well quality map using this software. So we will be seeing a lot about mapping using this software. So you can install it. It just takes some times. This is a huge software. So you can now visualize clearly the exact Chennai city. So let's go zoom into some places in Chennai. So let's go to some. So you can see here like this we can visualize or we can download the road network, which will be more accurate. There are some places where you don't get the road network. You can see here how deep it is going. It just predicts or it just maps all the possible road networks. So you can use this module for downloading the roadmap. So kindly stay tuned for the next video. We are going to see a lot about JS, and we'll be using obviously Python
for processing those data. So kindly stay tuned. Thank you.